What's up guys, my name is Tom and many of you was wondering who's behind that top channel logo, so here I am. You didn't think I was about to fly my drone in this location, did you? No, that'll be one of my last flights with the drone and I'm really enjoying having this channel just like you enjoy watching these videos. So we're not gonna do this, we're gonna skip that. I had a few people who are requesting this video, but those guys probably are outside of United States and they probably don't know what they are talking about, or they want to see me in the jail, and I'm not going to jail anytime soon. So yeah, we're gonna stay away from DC from obvious reasons. Also Cleveland, downtown Boston and Phoenix will never show up on my channel due to their airport location close to downtown. So regarding my upcoming contents, I have 3 videos edited and ready for upload. I got Chicago, Cincinnati and Atlanta, so let me know in the comments down below which one of them you would like to see first in upcoming Friday. Also, a lot of you guys asking me what kind of equipment I'm using to film my videos and what kind of editing software and the computer I'm using to edit my videos. So I'm gonna share that in the future contents. So guys, today is election day. Don't spend too much time on YouTube, just go and vote, alright? And I'll see you in the next one.